Are you looking to move out of the city and want a country estate that has a swimming pool and a huge pole barn and amenities galore? I got the perfect property for you. Let's check it out. We're at 1148 Chew Road in Waterford Works, New Jersey, and that's in Waterford Township, this property. So the other benefit of being in that strata is that the kids go to the Hamilton Public Schools 7 through 12, which is really nice. I'll show this to you momentarily. You got to stick around to the end of the video. This pole barn is 40 by 30, and there's a gorgeous swimming pool in the back that we're going to check out. Imagine coming home and you have this terrific front porch, screened, nice, rocking chairs. This is the life that you need. If you want tranquility and quiet, this is the perfect property. Check all this out. The other incredible thing about the property is that it's just short of 5 acres. So there's 2 lots that are being sold with this property, and they're all going to be yours. So it's short of 5 acres by just a little bit. You got the terracotta floor in there. You got a really nice Corian countertop, stainless steel appliances, nice flooring. Just imagine a family gathering. Imagine expanding this table out Thanksgiving so it could seat 12 or 14, and the energy that would be in this room. Terrific. We'll peruse this area again, but you have another really nice formal living room. Plenty of room for a big screen TV if you like there. Nice wood floors, everything tight. All the windows in this property as well, these are Pella windows, so it's top of the line everything. Got another nice area here, like a study, kind of can just hang out here. And you have another really exceptional public area. You could use it as a dining room, use it as you want. Real nice. There's some really great features here in this first floor bathroom. Who doesn't love the clawfoot tub? Nice tile floor, furniture grade vanity, and you have the modern convenience of that outstanding stand-up shower. And anybody that's a hairstylist, you're gonna love this. You got your own little hair studio here. You got your sink, you got your barber chair, got even an ashtray here if you have a little smoke. Reminds me of yesteryear, brings back some good memories. Let's check out the upstairs. There's 2 stairwells here. We have one to the right, and then we have this other one more towards the left-hand side. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, but we also have this bonus room, which could be used as a nursery. It's not real big, but it's functional for many, many purposes. You have bedroom number 3, nice size. Got a bookshelf that's built in to the stairwell, real nice. This would be bedroom number 2, and it's a bedroom because you have the door there that could be shut. And then you have another doorway here with the public access of stairwell number 1. And then this is the awesome, we'll call this the master. Real nice, feels good in here, plenty of light energy, everything good. More wood floors, lovely bathroom, fantastic plank tile, everything bright white, nice and neat. Let's check out all the amenities outside. There's a lot of great stuff there. All right, so let's explore the outside of this property. There's a lot to see here, so stick with me. You have a 40 by 30 pole barn. This was built approximately 20 years ago. And you can see that it's got the 3 bay, it's got the solar on top, and that solar is leased, and it generates excess power, so you actually get a credit from the power company on most typical years. I'm gonna show you the inside. There's also the pool here to my left. So you have all kinds of square footage in here, approximately 1,200 concrete. It's got electric, it's got the overhead lights, 10-foot plus ceilings. Looks like the garage doors are 9 foot tall. Everything you need. Got a little area there where you could prep some food, have a refrigerator for the patio party that you're gonna have in your future. Everything you need here. It's got double-sided solar panels, like I said. You got the front and back, just awesome. Let's check all this out. Nice landscaping, you got the flagstone border, terrific. The concrete is all in great shape. And coming from suburbia or the city, you're out here in the country, you have this gorgeous pool. This is an Esther Williams pool. It's 18 by 36 and it's emerald cut and it's in great shape. The liner's not that old. You'll be able to use this for years to come. Just check how spectacular that is. The concrete, the grass flowing in the wind, the 6-foot vinyl fence, perfect. And you have this really nice gazebo. So no bugs, all screened in. Have your fan here and just enjoy life. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends out here. It's just absolutely spectacular. Let's check out some of the other amenities out here. It's landscaped nice, has mature trees, has a dog pen, which is not being used, but you could use that as you want. More great landscaping here. The seller installed a brand new HVAC system only 2 or 3 months ago. So that would be June of 2025. So there's no more oil here. It's all electric heat pump, brand new. And it's got a brand new central air unit. All of this expanse out here, you see this? You're gonna own that. So imagine having the mother of all gardens planted there. You could have horses, you could have many, many things there. It's unlikely that you're gonna be able to build a house, but you have so many opportunities to utilize that beautiful spot. So here you have your brand new Lennox central air unit, and that goes hand in hand with your Lennox heat pump that's brand new down in the basement. And this is really, really cool. You have a Generac. And this isn't the little one, this is the big one. This one will power the whole house if the electric goes out. So everything you need, it's natural gas fired, so there is natural gas obviously in the street. All that you need for safety, security for your family. So move out of the city, move to the country. We're in front of this awesome pool, Esther Williams, could be yours. Have this pole barn, 40 by 30. You got the solar to help out with the heat, air conditioning, electric bills. You have a Generac. If the power does go out, you got more power. And you have a brand new HVAC system, only a few months old, and you have almost 5 acres of ground. This is 1148 Chew Road in Waterford Works, New Jersey. And it's a very rural setting. This is horse country out here. And you don't have horses here right now, but you certainly can put horses on this parcel. You could grow whatever fruits and vegetables you want, have a gentleman's farm, a perfect farmstead, homestead right here in Waterford Works, Waterford Township. We have new listings that come out every week, and if you want to be a part of that, and we have a whole bunch coming in the next few days, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you're the first to know when those listings hit.